Your living room is the heart of your home, and right at the center of it all is the TV wall. Think about it. The TV isn't just for watching shows anymore, it's the focal point where your family gathers, where you entertain guests, and where design can truly shine. That's why in 2025 and 2026, modern TV unit designs are becoming more stylish, smarter, and more functional than ever before. From sleek minimalist floating cabinets to bold statement walls with marble and wood, the trends are all about combining beauty with practicality. In today's video, we'll explore the latest TV cabinet designs and wall decoration ideas, ranging from budget-friendly setups to luxurious, high-end options. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious living room, you'll find inspiration that fits your space and lifestyle. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have plenty of creative ideas to transform your TV wall into a true showstopper. 1. Minimalist TV units. When it comes to modern design trends, one word stands out: minimalism. And in 2025, minimalist TV units are more popular than ever. The idea is simple: less clutter, more elegance. Instead of heavy cabinets filled with drawers, modern living rooms are going for slim floating shelves, low-profile cabinets, and seamless finishes. Imagine a sleek white TV stand that almost blends into your wall, with no bulky handles or knobs, just clean, uninterrupted lines. The color palette is also very calming. Whites, soft grays, and earthy tones dominate the minimalist trend, often paired with natural wood textures or matte black details for contrast. This keeps your TV wall looking sophisticated without feeling too plain. One of the biggest advantages of minimalist TV units is their hidden storage solutions. Drawers with push-to-open mechanisms, slim cabinets that don't look like cabinets, and clever compartments for wires mean you can keep all your gadgets out of sight. No one wants a mess of tangled cables or remotes lying around. Minimalist design solves that problem beautifully. These designs are especially ideal for small apartments or compact living rooms. By reducing visual clutter, they make your space feel larger, more open, and more peaceful. So, if you're someone who loves a clean and organized look, minimalist TV units are the perfect choice for your living room in 2025. 2. Floating and wall-mounted units. Now, let's take minimalism one step further with floating TV units. These have been trending for a while, but in 2025 they're reaching a whole new level of creativity. A floating TV unit is mounted directly on the wall, giving the impression that it's hovering in midair. This not only saves precious floor space but also makes your living room look ultra-modern and stylish. No heavy base, no bulky structure, just a light, sleek design. One of the coolest upgrades this year is the addition of integrated LED lighting. Imagine your TV panel glowing softly from behind, creating a warm, cinematic effect while you watch movies. Some floating units even include strip lights under the cabinet, casting a glow on the floor and making the whole setup feel futuristic. Floating units can be paired with side shelves, display boxes, or vertical panels for extra storage and decoration. Many people add a few plants, books, or artwork to balance the technology with natural or artistic touches. Another advantage? Cleaning becomes a breeze. With no base touching the floor, you can easily sweep or mop underneath. This makes floating units perfect for families or small homes where convenience matters. And here's the best part: they're versatile. You'll find designs for every budget, from affordable MDF wall units to high-end custom wood or lacquered finishes. So, if you want your living room to look spacious, modern, and functional, floating TV units are a trend you'll definitely want to try in 2025. 3. Luxury statement walls. Now let's shift gears and talk about something truly eye-catching: luxury statement walls. These are for homeowners who don't just want a TV unit, but a complete design feature that instantly grabs attention. Picture this: a giant slab of glossy white marble as the backdrop for your TV, with gold trim running along the edges. Or a rich walnut wood panel covering the entire wall, paired with subtle LED spotlights that highlight its natural grain. These kinds of designs transform your TV wall into a centerpiece of luxury. In 2025, designers are mixing materials and textures to create drama. You'll see combinations like marble with wood, stone with metal, or textured panels with matte finishes. The TV blends seamlessly into this artistic wall, sometimes even framed like a piece of artwork. Many luxury setups also integrate extra features, like built-in fireplaces, decorative shelving, or hidden compartments. Some even include backlit panels that glow in different colors, letting you change the mood of the room with just a switch. Of course, these designs work best in spacious living rooms where you want to create a bold statement. They can cost more than a simple cabinet, but they also add a sense of grandeur and even increase the perceived value of your home. So, if you're someone who loves dramatic interiors, rich textures, and premium finishes, a luxury statement wall is the ultimate way to make your living room stand out in 2025 and beyond. 4. Multifunctional TV cabinets. In many homes, the living room is more than just a place to watch TV. It's a space where you relax, entertain, and even work. That's why multifunctional TV cabinets are becoming so popular in 2025. These designs combine storage, display, and technology management all in one. Imagine a sleek TV cabinet that not only holds your television but also includes open shelving for books, decorative vases, or even your favorite plants. Some designs have sliding doors, so you can keep your TV visible when in use, but hide it away behind stylish panels when you want the room to feel more elegant. This is perfect for those who don't always want their TV to dominate the living room. Others go for adjustable shelves or modular sections, which you can rearrange depending on your needs. Maybe you want more space for your gaming console today, or extra room for your sound system tomorrow. These designs adapt with you. The real beauty here is versatility. A multifunctional cabinet transforms the TV wall into a central hub for entertainment, storage, and decoration, making it a must-have for modern homes. 5. Creative wall decor integration. In 2025, TV walls are no longer just blank backdrops, they're artistic canvases. Designers are blurring the lines between furniture and decoration, turning TV units into true feature walls. For example, you might see a slim TV mounted on a textured panel with floating shelves surrounding it, displaying artwork, sculptures, or family memories. This way, the wall feels balanced. The TV blends in rather than sticking out. Mirrors are also making a comeback in living rooms. Placing mirrors on either side of your TV unit not only makes the room look brighter and larger, but it also adds a touch of sophistication. Another big trend is the use of acoustic panels in bold colors. These not only absorb sound for a better movie-watching experience, but they also create a stylish, modern pattern behind your screen. Color also plays a role. Instead of plain white walls, many homeowners are choosing deep jewel tones, soft pastels, or natural textures like stone or wood. These add warmth and personality, turning the TV wall into a true statement. By integrating decor, your TV wall becomes more than just a tech zone. It becomes an expression of your style. 6. Smart and tech-friendly units. Our lives are becoming more connected, and so is our furniture. In 2025, TV units are evolving into smart, tech-friendly designs. Cable mess? Not anymore. Modern cabinets are built with hidden cable channels and cord organizers, keeping everything neat. Some even include charging docks and USB ports, so your devices are always ready without clutter. For gamers or movie lovers, tech-friendly cabinets come with ventilated compartments to protect consoles and speakers from overheating. Others are designed with adjustable slots for soundbars or projectors, giving you a mini home theater setup. Luxury units now even pair with smart lighting systems. Imagine saying, "Movie time," and your lights dim, your back panel glows softly, and your entertainment system turns on, all without lifting a finger. These designs prove that in 2025, a TV unit isn't just furniture, it's part of your smart living experience. 7. Affordable yet stylish options. Now let's be real, not everyone wants to spend thousands on a TV wall. The good news is you don't have to. 2025 brings plenty of affordable yet stylish designs that look high-end without the high price. One great option is modular TV stands. These are easy to assemble, customizable, and often available in budget-friendly materials like MDF or laminate. You can expand them later if your needs grow. DIY lovers have even more options. Stick-on 3D panels, peel and stick wallpapers, or simple wooden battens can instantly upgrade a plain wall into something modern and chic. Add a basic ready-made cabinet below, and you've got a trendy setup that looks far more expensive than it actually is. Even small changes make a big difference. Adding LED light strips behind your TV, repainting your cabinet in a modern matte finish, or swapping old handles for sleek new ones. These upgrades cost very little but create a big visual impact. So whether you're a renter, a student, or just budget-conscious, there are endless ways to make your TV wall stylish, modern, and on-trend without breaking the bank. And there you have it, some of the most stylish and modern TV unit designs for 2025 and 2026. From sleek minimalist cabinets to dramatic luxury statement walls, from clever multifunctional units to budget-friendly DIY upgrades, there's truly something for every space and every budget. Your TV wall isn't just about holding a screen anymore. It's about creating a focal point that brings together style, function, and even smart technology. Whether you want a calm, clutter-free vibe, a bold luxury showcase, or a cozy family-friendly setup, the right design can completely transform your living room. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which style would you choose for your own home? Are you leaning towards a sleek floating unit, a marble statement wall, or a simple DIY upgrade that's budget-friendly? Share your favorite idea in the comments. I can't wait to see your choices. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design tips and the latest home trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more ideas to make your home stylish and modern.